Today's video is sponsored by YouTube Originals. Hi YouTube, it's PatrickStarrr, makeup artist and founder of One Size Beauty. Do y'all remember what I said? I have vowed to bleach my eyebrows. Let's go ahead and bleach the brows. I kept my promise. I have an unprofessional, non-licensed cosmetologist here to help me bleach my brows, so let's do it. All right, y'all, we have mixed the solution and the things in here, and we've started! This is the process so far. Danica has done this, so you can see her roots are coming in, so I really have my whole trust in her. I haven't bleached my brows in, I think, like 10 years. It's been a minute. Can't wait to see how this goes. Hopefully I don't look like the world record egg again. Oh my gosh, you guys. We're really doing it. She found some candy wrapper in the drawer and she's putting it on my eyebrows. I swear I'm a beauty influencer. I swear. Okay? Promise. Guys, now we wait. We have some Chinese food here. And hopefully we don't get carried away. And then, oh my God, they're already, oh my God, they're already lifting. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, you guys. We were eating for a minute and they look white. Like a yellow white.
Oh my God. Ready?
Haven't seen it yet. Ready?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm on America's Next Top Model. Oh my God. Oh my God. What have we done? Oh, my brows are light.
That's a look, honey.
Do I look editorial?
Yes. And
Wow. I'm good. All right, everyone, that is my bleach brows in honor of raising money for the Trevor Project and in honor of Pride. Happy Pride. Remember that we have to spread love more in this world each and every day. I love you guys so much. And yes, cheers to bleach brows. I did it.